My name is Michelle Winter, and I'm an obstetrician gynecologist with DuPage Medical Group. So I have a little bit of a non-traditional personal background. I started out my adult life as an opera singer. I went to college to study music and got a master's degree in music, and it wasn't until I finished graduate school that I decided I wanted to be a doctor. Then I decided to go to medical school, and I went to the University of Chicago, Pritzker School of Medicine, and then I stayed on there for my residency at the University of Chicago. I love OBGYN. I think it's a really unique field. You really have this sort of longitudinal experience with your patients over their whole lifetime, starting in adolescence. You can work on contraceptive counseling and just general women's health as they go through their reproductive years. If they choose to have a family, you get to deliver their babies and then bring them up into menopause and sort of handle any health complications that come up along the way. I have had both experiences of having a C-section and a vaginal delivery, and I've found that since becoming a mom, the conversations that I have with my patients have changed. They come in for their prenatal visits, and you get little snippets of time to kind of discuss their pregnancy and what to expect, and I feel like now I'm able to give a lot more of a personal approach and kind of connect with them on the experiences that they have or that they're going to have. Every time I deliver a baby, it's like a renewal of my passion for medicine. There's just a magical moment at the moment the baby's delivered and you hand the baby to mom and the joy on the family's faces. And I think it's a huge privilege to be part of that moment in someone's life. And every time I leave the delivery room, I just feel reinvigorated about my career choice. It's amazing to see women go through pregnancy and labor and delivery and postpartum. I'm just really impressed with the resilience that you see in people. I find it to be not that uncommon experience to have a woman after delivery say, "Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry." And I'm like, "What are you apologizing for? That was painful." And it's just funny to see the transformation that people make, and they go from being, sometimes scared in labor, and then it's over and they take over as mom, and you can see that they just have that strength to do it. And it's really inspiring.